So officially, the deadline to file your taxes is just 1 week away.
But it's okay to procrastinate sometimes if you're one of those people who's running behind. Here's a way to get a little bit more time. You can file an extension that will give you 6 more months to get your returns in order with a new deadline of October 16th.
Partner at Eisner Advisory Group, Tim Speiss, joins us now. Hey there, Tim. So for people who are at home, who are trying to figure out, I don't know if I qualify for a tax extension, really easy answer. What do you say to them about that question and how to go about getting one?
Well, generally, any form of income, I would say above a standard amount of $3,000 to $5,000. It could be less. It depends upon, by the way, your filing status, how many dependents you have, and so forth. But it can be a low threshold. My general advice is if you do have income, especially if there's been withholdings, you probably should file a tax return.
Now, what are the repercussions if you happen to miss next week's deadline and don't file an extension? What does that mean for people?
Well, you're subject to penalties for late filing penalties and potentially underpayment of tax, because there are many people, depending upon their income, that also have to make an extension payment because they don't have enough either tax withheld or they didn't make estimated payments during the year. Then on the other hand, if you have very nominal income, it could be you won't be penalized at all. But there is the late filing penalty always to be aware of.
So, Tim, you don't have those penalties, though, if you file an extension. And it's my understanding that every person who asks for that first extension gets one. But let's say that you still come up on October and you're still running behind. Is there a way to get even more time?
There is not. At that point, if it's October 13, 14, 12, and you're really coming up against the wire, it's really best to file some form of a completed return. That would be the best thing to do. You don't want to not file, say, in October on the file due date. You want to make a best effort.
I mean, people should have enough time between now and October. I know because it's my next birthday, so I'm definitely at that age, October 12th, where I count the days. But it's good advice.
What happens, though, if somebody does miss those deadlines?
I mean, are you in legal trouble? Are we talking penalties? Like how bad can it get?
Yes, there can be penalties and interest. Sometimes if you could argue due cause, a particular reason. I will tell you one that we run into actually the past 2-3 years is the hurricane relief that's been going on. And you might know that Florida and other states, matter of fact, it happened to Florida 2 times in a row, where residents in a quote unquote disaster zone, hurricane zone, received an automatic extension. Who knows what October portends, or even next week. But generally, you really want to file on time. You want to make best effort. There's really six steps that you want to go through as kind of your own checklist to make sure that you've got everything in order. I would suggest everyone really do that now. I mean, the first thing you want to do is accumulate all your income sources, item 1, then deductions, deductible business expenses and so forth. Retirement plan contributions, that's also on the list. Calculate your estimated taxable income based upon what you have. Item 4 is to then look at your withholdings, your W-2s. Sometimes you have withholdings even on portfolio income. And then look at the various credits. There's all kinds of credits that taxpayers can utilize, everything from the child care credit, earned income tax credit, and that's item 5. And then the sixth step really is to do a review, file a return timely. But that would really be the sequence of a process. And in my experience, I mean, if you're preparing your own tax return, it can be very intimidating.
Yeah. And if you're in doubt, it may be worthwhile to hire the services of a tax professional. Tim Speiss, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.